Let's take a look at how to make vegetable spring roll and its cover in this video.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and welcome to my channel Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. And if you would like to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel The Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's get started.
So first in a bowl, take 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida and to that add 6 tablespoons corn flour or cornstarch, some salt as per taste, 1.5 tablespoon cooking oil, and then you need to mix the oil and the flour very well. This is a very important step. After mixing everything very well, we need to add water. So add little water at a time. And you need to make a dough which is medium soft, not very stiff and not very soft. So medium. So the dough is done. Now we are going to cover it and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes because resting a dough, whether it's a maida or it's normal gehu ka atta, makes it very smooth and easy to roll. After 10 minutes, knead the dough for another minute and then take out small portions. Now let's make the veg spring roll wrapper or the cover. Now take one portion and you need to roll it. Do not roll it completely like a small puri and then keep this aside. The same way roll the other portion of the dough. Now apply some oil on both the puris or both the rolled dough sheets. And then sprinkle some maida on each. And then place one sheet over the other like this. And now together we are going to roll these. So this will help us get very nice and thin spring roll sheets. And meanwhile your tawa should be heating on medium flame. It should be nice hot, like on medium flame. And put this chapati or the spring roll chipki hui roti on the tawa, and one side 15 seconds and on the other side 15 seconds. And make sure you do not overdo. You should not get brown spots, and using a spoon or a knife you can separate the two, and as you just start separating it, will be very easy. So just you need to find the right place to start separating it, and then it would be very easy to separate the two sheets. Now similarly we are going to make more sheets. So roll one dough, the second one, apply some oil, sprinkle some maida, put one chapati or roti. I'm using a lot of terms here, I know, but that's what they look like. And our second spring roll sheet jodi is also ready. So it goes again on the tawa, 15 to 20 seconds on one side and same way on the other side. You can use a cloth to make sure that the sides are also done well, because if the sides are done well, remember, it will be very easy for you to separate the sheets. So you can see how easily I'm able to separate the sheets. So same way I made more spring roll sheets, you can see. Too many. Let's keep these aside. Let's prepare the stuffing now. So heat 1.5 tablespoon cooking oil in a kadhai or a pan. Then add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, followed by 1 tablespoon grated or crushed ginger. Saute until the raw smell is gone. Then add 1 small thinly sliced onion. Again saute till the onion slightly becomes pink, not brown, okay? 4 to 5 sliced French beans. And then 1 medium-sized capsicum thinly sliced, followed by 1/4 cup grated carrot. Well, you can also slice carrots if you would find it easy. Now 2 tablespoon chili sauce and 1 teaspoon white vinegar, also called as sirka in Hindi. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 2 to 3 finely chopped green chillies. You can add more as per your taste. And then saute. And finally, my favorite, thinly sliced cabbage, approximately 200 gram. And after this we are going to keep the flame medium and we are not going to overcook. Just 2 to 3 minutes of cooking and that's perfect. Let it cool down and let's move to the next step. So we're going to prepare a paste of maida, 2 tablespoons maida and some water. This will act as a glue to make the spring roll. So this is perfect, ready. So let's finally prepare the spring roll. So here I've taken one spring roll sheet and the inside I'm going to keep it on the outside. So the inside is what we'll see once the spring roll is sealed. So place some stuffing and fold it the way I'm doing, and the paste which we had prepared, we're going to use that as a glue. Similarly, make more spring rolls. Fold, apply some maida glue and roll and make the spring roll. So I've made these many already, and now we're going to fry them. Look how cute they look. So the oil should be medium hot, and then you need to put the spring rolls in and fry them till they become nice, golden and crispy. If you feel at a point that the flame is too high, reduce it. If you feel it's too low, you can increase it. It comes with experience, but not difficult to master. So similarly, you need to fry more spring rolls. And I've fried them all and they look just perfect, nice, crispy and filled with a lot of tasty vegetables. Yes, vegetables can also be tasty. I'll break one open and show you how nice and crunchy, crispy the layer has become from the outside. What we say in Hindi, khasta. So it's an easy recipe, give it a try and enjoy.